is Amber. If you guys do not know who I am, I'm a plus size model, YouTuber, and entrepreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I want to give you guys all the deets before I try this on. So this is Reyna, and it is a What a Lace from Sensational. It's in a 1. It's 100% premium fiber. This wig was in the $50 pretty much. It's like $55. So this is what this looks like. I wanted to get this for a photo shoot. And let me go ahead and cut the tag off. It does have lace on there, so I will show you guys what the lace looks like. As far as heat goes, you can put up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit on here. This is what the lace looks like. It's pretty good. It has 2 combs right there. And then it has 1 comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps as well. So let's go ahead and try this unit on. As you guys can see from the last What a Lace video, I had such a hard time cutting off this lace. So I'm not gonna do that again, trying to do it like other YouTubers, and I don't know anything about like lace fronts and all that kind of stuff. So no, we ain't gonna do that today. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my photo focus to color this in to make sure the lace has a nice color. So I'm gonna put it back down, and as you can see, I'm really not gonna glue this down. I really don't want to glue it down right now because I do have somewhere to go, so I don't want to glue this down until later on possibly. So far how it's looking, I expected more from this hair. I don't know why. I just expected it to be better than this. Don't know if I'll be able to spray this and style it the way I want to, just in case. So I had to do the intro and outro really quickly. This one does have baby hair already. So see, since it's acting funny, I have to flip it over this side. So we're gonna see if the heat does anything. Now you guys can see these little weird curl patterns. Like, it's like Shirley Temple here, and it's like some really cheap wavy hair here. In order for this to be laid down, okay, let's try my way. Let's try to spray it with hairspray. This is how I do my hair. Comb it out. Now put the heat on there. You can hear it sizzling a little bit. I just kind of like put hairspray on it. That's a little trick that I always done, is just put hairspray or water and then put the heat on there, or just put the hairspray and you'll see a difference. Girl, I got that Ananda Lewis going on. You can make a ponytail. This would be really cute with a ponytail look. Now that's cute. This is cute. And I didn't really try. I like the little poof right there. It makes it look effortless. So I like that little poof thing right there. So it's like you didn't really try hard, but you tried hard. So this is like the top bun. I think it would be really hard with a top bun. So if you like updos, like half up, half down, this is your type of wig. Now that I see how dope it is with it half up, half down, I really like it a little bit more. So let's get into all the tea about this hair, okay? So first of all, it sheds. It came out with 2 different textures. This one was fairly curly, and then half of it was not as curly. So this one was like very almost straight wavy, and then this one was really super wavy, almost like curly wavy. As you can see from the previous clip, I brushed it out because I'm like, yo, what's going on here? And then the hair is super long, 26 inches. To me, I don't really like hair that's 26 inches long. It's 26 inches, sis. It's doing too much. I'm not really that extra. I like to be extra, but not that extra. This was like a little too long for me, so I'm planning on cutting this for sure. It's just way too long. It seemed like I'm trying way too hard with this wig, but it does have great parting space. Like, you can part your hair from pretty much from ear to ear. I believe it's from ear to ear. Yeah, you can part it from ear to ear. So that's a really great thing about it. It does shed a whole lot. I was literally pulling this stuff out of my hair like this, and it's still coming out. So it does shed a whole lot, which is a no. To me, I don't know if it's worth $55. It's more like a $32 wig. I was a little disappointed because Swiss lace wigs are really nice. Like, I've gotten two before, but the thing about the Swiss lace wigs, I'm gonna give you guys the tea real quick. This hair does not last long. Even my other two wigs that I got from them doesn't last long. It looks fairly nice when you first put it in your hair, but girl, in about 2 or 3 weeks, the hair is so bad that you really can't wear it that well anymore. So I don't know what that's about, but for it to be $55, it does really look good for you to do something quickly within a week's time period or week or 2 times period, but after that you would be buying another $55 wig from them. I'm not really feeling it, but it still looks very cute, so I give it a B-. It does look cute and the lace is on point. The top is a little bit cone-ish. I just really wanted this wig for a photo shoot, and I can see that I probably would not be buying this again unless it's just for a Miami vacation or something, because this is very Miami, very Vegas, like a showstopper wig, but I know that you can't wear it very long, so don't get excited. This wig could be so much better if the texture was very even throughout. I don't know, like, I think they could have did a better job on these Swiss laces to make them last a little longer for $55, because if you do this every month or 2 months, $55 is $100, over $100 every couple of months, so you might as well buy a human hair wig. That's my take on it. I mean, if you've never had a luxury synthetic hair, if it's a such thing, this is luxury synthetic hair. It just doesn't last long. Prepare for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.